This 2023 Newmar Dutch Star 4370 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Camelot Decor, Driftwood Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, slideout, TV, air conditioning, leveling jacks, self-contained, refrigerator, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Dutch Star 4370 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 450 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.